Hello, Chef here. What do we have? Another recipe for you. Real quick one here. This is a half of a pork loin, and I'm going to be rocking 2 knives with this on the chef's butcher block. I've got this Eastern style Damascus Giotto. Oh, look at that beauty. That's forged Damascus with a walnut handle. And I got this Western style. This is a chef's forged boning knife. This is no longer made. Collectible now. So I'm going to be using these 2 knives on this. Follow along. By the way, for the recipe, search on this channel pork. Look for pulled pork, look for adobo pork, look for pork butchering, look for other pork recipes on this channel after you subscribe. Oh yeah. First step, of course, we're going to remove this plastic and try to keep the juices in there. Just remove the meat. Why do you want the juice all over your kitchen? Yeah, keep those juices in there. Just like that. We'll be discarding this. Next step, of course, kitchen towel. Clean all this juice off the pork before it goes on your butcher block. Hopefully by now you have a butcher block. It is essential to cooking. It is the yin to the yang, and your knife should only hit the food and the butcher block. Yeah, that's what I'm looking for right there. Okay, now it's time to clean that pork and remove this silver skin. Don't eat this. This is not good for your health right here, okay? This is the cleaned pork. Follow along. That's what I'm looking for. That's a perfectly clean pork loin right there, ready to go. Minimal fat is okay. If you're critical, you can remove a little bit more, but you don't want to waste the meat. Okay? So this is good. This is ready to go. Now I'm going to be doing 2 things. First thing I'm doing is switching to the proper knife. Clean as you go. The proper knife will be a larger knife, so I can trim this and cut this into a more manageable size piece, as well as proceed with a dry rub and a wet rub, smoke it, and then finish it. Here we go. Okay, using this large Giotto knife, I'm going to butterfly this, and I want to cut it. Oh, it cuts so nice. I want to cut it right down the middle without going all the way through. Just like this. Quickly. Efficiently. I'm all done with the knife. I'm going to wipe it off. I will hand wash it later. Check it out. That's the pork loin ready to go. That's what I'm looking for. Now we place this piece of pork on a clean sheet and we continue. I'm using a dry rub and a wet rub. This is star anise. I want to smash this up a little bit, release a little bit of flavor, mix all this around. Using the hands is fine. Half of this is going on this pork and the other half's going on another piece. What I want you to do is search the channel for pork and you're going to find some awesome recipes. This gets spread on right like this. We're going to do both sides and we rub it in. Okay, about an hour later, I've prepared my wet rub. Wow, a very complex recipe. That's what the chef's looking for. And if you follow along on this channel, you're going to improve your cooking greatly. The things you never learn from anyone other than an elite chef. Free masterclass right here. It's both sides. Get the wet rub treatment. Just like that. Okay, and we let it sit. I'll be back. Oh, look at this. A while later. We call this happy family because there's two of them. Ready for the grill and smoking. I'll be back. A little while later, flavors are penetrating, the marinade's coming through. And if you want to learn a little bit more about watermelon, just search this channel. You're going to find a lot of interesting stuff about this too. Benefits and health, some watermelon carvings and baskets. This is a super sweet variety grown by a friend of mine here in the southern USA. And wow, I'll be saving these seeds. This is going to be good. Pure sugar. A while longer. How does that look to you? Oh yeah, natural juices forming here while I prepare a very hot grill. In my kitchens, I have several. This one here is going on, I think this end grain rock maple is over 20 years old now. It's been cut on a million times. The knife does not hurt it. It's the hardest surface you want for your knife contact like this. Cutting, chopping, slicing, dicing will not hurt the knife blade, will not hurt the block. Check your sponsor there. They're having a free shipping sale. Ah, the smoked pork is looking exceptional. At this point, we add a liquid or secret sauce. Only my apprentices know what's in here. And we're going to put it back on the slow cooker. Oh, yeah. The finished pork, secret sauce. Show you just how tender this is. Yeah. Search pork on the channel and get way more information and recipes. Oh, yeah. It's going to be good. Wow. Pulled pork barbecue. Select Hard Rock Maple is the chef's choice. Choose from several sizes, with a juice groove, without the juice groove, reversible, charcuterie board, solid walnut, solid cherry, even walnut rustic grain, reversible, round, square, rectangle, free shipping. Oh, it's gonna be good. Wow, the Jambus Cucina Elegante, handcrafted with the finest American hardwoods, food service grade stainless steel. The Elegante features 1.5 inch thick butcher block, available in several sizes and with several options. Call your sponsor and save money. Ask for a discount. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good. Boost blocks. Buy the best the first time. Save money.